Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th class new maths textbook, the chapter coordinate geometry. Here are the solutions of exercise 7.2 and this is part 4 video. In this video, we will learn the solution of question number 9 from exercise 7.2. Dear students, here is the question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining a minus 2, 2 and b 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. I shall repeat. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining a minus 2, 2, b 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Here we have to divide this line segment AB into 4 equal parts, isn't it? Now look at this diagram. Here AB is the line segment, A to B is the given line segment, and we have given the coordinates of A minus 2, 2 and we have given the coordinates of B 2, 8. Now we have to make it into 4 equal parts. In order to make this into 4 equal parts, we have to cut this line segment at 1, 2 and 3 points. If you cut it at 3 points, then there will be 4 equal parts. If you observe, all these are equal parts. Therefore, first of all, D will be the midpoint of AB. Okay, D is the midpoint of AB, and C is the midpoint of AD, and E is the midpoint of DB, isn't it? The point C, D, and E divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts, where D is the midpoint of the line segment AB, and C is the midpoint of the line segment AD, and E is the midpoint of the line segment DB. Do you know the formula to find the midpoint of the line joining x1, y1 and x2, y2? Do you know the formula? Yes, good. The formula to find the midpoint of the line segment joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Good. Here you consider the coordinates of A and B as x1, y1 and x2, y2. And first of all, let us find out the midpoint of AB. Here, from the diagram, the midpoint of AB is D, and D coordinates x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is minus 2 and x2 is 2. x1 plus x2 means minus 2 plus 2 by 2. And y1 plus y2 is 2 plus 8 by 2. What is minus 2 plus 2? Yes, minus 2 plus 2 is 0 by 2. And what is 2 plus 8? 2 plus 8 is 10 by 2. Now 0 by 2. 2 in 0, 0 times. And 2 in 10, 5 times. Therefore, the coordinates of D is 0, 5. Now we got 1 point now. Now let us find C point now. Here, if you observe this diagram, C is nothing but the midpoint of AD. Okay. Now the coordinates of A minus 2, 2 and the coordinates of D, we got coordinates of D as 0, 5. Now assume the coordinates of A x1, y1 and the coordinates of D x2, y2. Then again the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2. And y1 plus y2 means 2 plus 5 by 2. What is minus 2 plus 0? Yes, if you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number again, that is minus 2 by 2. And what is 2 plus 5? 7 by 2. Now this 2 into 1 time, since it is minus, therefore it is minus 1. And 7 by 2 is 7 by 2 only. So we got the second point, that is C, coordinates of C as minus 1 and 7 by 2. Now let us find now the midpoint of DB. The midpoint of DB is E, the point E. The coordinates of D 0, 5 and the coordinates of B in the question itself it is given as 2, 8. D is 0, 5 and B is equal to 2, 8. And again midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Now here x1, y1 coordinates of D and x2, y2 are the coordinates of B, isn't it? Now x1 plus x2 means 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 by 2. y1 plus y2 means 5 plus 8 by 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2 and 5 plus 8 is 13 by 2. 2 into 1 time, you cannot divide 13 with 2. So the answer is 113 by 2. Therefore, the points that divide AB into 4 equal parts is equal to 0, 5, minus 1, 7 by 2 and plus 1, 13 by 2. These 3 points divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you. Thank you one and all.